I have a 1280 by 720 pixel file set up in Affinity Pixel. The font that I am using is called Alexa, which you can download in the YouTube description. Oh, and while you're down there, give this video a thumbs up to support the channel. First things first, let's recolor the text to 50% gray by just typing in 50 under L. L stands for lightness. And now go to Pixel, New Fill Layer, set this fill layer to black, and move it so that it sits underneath the text. Select the text layer, and in the bottom of your Layers panel, click on the FX icon. Check Bevel and Emboss, set the type to Inner, unlink radius and depth. I'm setting my radius to 8.3, and I'm setting my depth to 1000 pixels. Set the profile to the first option, set the azimuthal direction to 97 degrees, leave the elevation at 45 degrees, and bring the highlight and shadow opacity down to 50%. Now go to Pixel, New Fill Layer, select the Fill tool, and click and drag from the bottom up while holding Shift to create a gradient. And let's set the gradient colors to black and white, and set the gradient blend mode to overlay. At the bottom of the Layers panel, click on this circle icon to add a new adjustment layer. Select the gradient map adjustment, set the color on the left to black, the color on the right to white, and the color in the middle to blue. I'm going to assign it a specific hex code 0D79F2. Now let's add another adjustment layer, select curves, drag the curves layer so that it sits right below the gradient map adjustment. Right away, plot 5 points. Now create a curves graph that looks something like this. Once you've created this graph, change master to green. Now create a graph with the green line that looks something like this. If you zoom in and you notice any sort of banding, you can go to Document, Setup, Convert Format, and convert the format from RGB8 to RGB16, and click Convert, and that should solve some of the banding issues. The anti-aliasing in the design also causes some of these distracting outlines. While we can't fix all of them, we can minimize their appearance. Select your text layer and hit Command or Control J on your keyboard to duplicate it. Bring it all the way up to the top of the Layers panel. Double-click your effects, uncheck Bevel and Emboss, bring the fill opacity down to 0, check Outline, and bring the radius of the outline up, and you'll watch some of those outlines around the text disappear. A radius of about 3 to 5 seems to work. And there you have your metallic text effect. If you want to adjust the color, you can double-click on the gradient map icon, select the blue color, and play around with some other colors and see what you like. I'm fairly new to Affinity Designer, so if you have any suggestions for future tutorials or any feedback on this video, please let me know in the comment section, and thank you for watching.